Becoming a successful architecture student requires dedication and hard work. It is not enough to just study hard and get the maximum score in the exams. You need to have the right attitude, skills, and knowledge to be able to do well in this field. The first step in becoming a successful architecture student is having a good understanding of the subject matter. This means that you should have an understanding of the different aspects of architecture such as design, construction, materials, and safety regulations. You should also have a basic understanding of mathematics and physics, as these are essential for designing structures. In addition to this, you need to be able to think creatively when it comes to solving problems or coming up with solutions for projects. You should also be able to work well with other people, since working on projects as part of a team is common in this field. Finally, you should make sure that you stay up to date with new developments in the industry.